Good morning, everyone. Exciting day today, guys. So today I'm carrying out a commercial drone job, which involves mapping a large survey area where there's going to be a construction site. So basically, I just need to go in today, need to use a couple of flight plans and capture photos for the different flight plans, but also some panoramic views as well. So here goes. For carrying out the job, there's been a lot of planning involved. Obviously, the usual safety checks. So I've had to make sure it's not in a no-fly zone, make sure there's no NOTAMs involved. I've had to check the area on Google Earth Pro, check for power lines, any hazards, etc., which go into the risk assessment before I carry out the job. So I've got the risk assessment in place, I've got my insurance in place, all the usual stuff that I've got to take with us, including my licenses. I've also got an on-site risk assessment that I will be carrying out. So when I'm on site, even though I've looked at the risks, I'll be looking at additional risks. It could be soft ground, it could be people in the vicinity. So I'll do an on-site risk assessment when I'm there. I've made sure that the drone's been all maintained, software updated. Same with my payload. So today I'm using the M300 and the P1 payload for brilliant quality photos. I'm meeting up with a site representative so he can give us an orientation of the land that needs surveyed. And then we'll get on with the actual use of the drone. So we're just getting a fix whilst collecting the GCPs around the construction site. So the first GCP is going to be here. So we're registering the first GCP point. So we've been around the site, we've marked all the GCPs at different points of the site to make sure we get all four corners and also in the centre. Now the drone is up carrying out the flight and collecting the data. quick battery change, leaving 20% batteries, 20% in the old batteries, and it's ready to continue with the flight plan. Well, that proved to be an extremely challenging day and would have been impossible without a 4x4 to get round to all four corners of the site and into the middle. The mud was so deep in some parts. We managed to get 7 GCP points out, and it was also challenging trying to follow the drone, keeping the line of sight and also the connection to the drone. But we managed to get there in the end, so we've collected all the data that we need, and now it's time to go back and process it. Anyway, like and subscribe to my channel, Drone Services Northeast, and keep following my journey. Thanks.